Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today we're taking you guys with us on a road trip so we can test the range on this Mach-E. As you guys, some of you may know, this is the Mach-E 2021 and we have the California Route 1 edition with the big extended battery, and we also have the rear wheel drive. So today we're going actually to test the range going to Vegas. We are here in Victorville, and from here to Las Vegas it's all desert, and here it's actually 95, but in Vegas 104. So I'm sure the AC is gonna be kicking the whole time. Let's see if that's going to affect the battery range or not. We have it fully charged. Actually, I charged it last night. It's at 100%, and it's telling us we can get actually 277 miles on this charge, but to get to our hotel room that we already actually booked, we only need 192 miles. So we're really thinking we can do this, trip on one run. We don't have to stop for charge, which is cool, because like I mentioned, from here to Vegas it's all desert, and even like showed me the station that the app recommended me to stop at and charge my car, but it is like desert, nothing. It's like in the middle of nowhere. So I'm hoping we don't have to stop for a charge, but maybe I'll just stop there so I can show it to you guys. But look here, I already planned the trip, so you can see here we're going from Victorville to Las Vegas, and like I said, look the temperature. It's crazy hot. So I'll be definitely updating you guys the whole time on the way. We'll stop maybe in the halfway mark and update you guys, or at that station I told you about. I'll update you on the battery, on the range, and everything like that. So let's get going. We have reached Barstow, and yeah, I'm trying to keep it between, averaging between 65 to 70, and we are actually on the engage mode. This is about 30 miles we drove so far. The battery went down to 93%, and yeah, we have right now, it's telling us we have left to 65 miles on this battery, 93%. It's actually a very nice drive today. Here inside the car you can't feel the heat, but outside right now it's 106. But we're keeping the AC on, and yeah, it's just actually very nice chill drive so far. Alright guys, so right now we're going to take the Baker exit. I want to show you, it's like the halfway mark, and they have the world's tallest thermometer, so I think it would be nice to take photos and you guys get to see it. Alright guys, so we're here. This is, like I said, this is the halfway mark, and this is the electric station, so you can come here, charge your car, and it's a nice rest area. You have food over there. There's Total Taco, I see Burger King, and also you can check out this thermometer. But like I said, I'm actually not going to charge my car right now, because I'm going just to keep it on the original charge, because we're testing the battery range. Actually, let me update you on the battery inside, and then we hit the freeway back. We're actually doing great. If you look here, we still have 76% on the battery, and we have only 92 miles to travel to Vegas, and we get to our hotel room basically. But it's telling us we have 221 miles left on this original charge, so I think it's doing great. And we have the AC running this the whole time. Honestly, we like it nice and cool in here. Check the map, we're basically halfway to Vegas, and it is 108. So yeah, we're really excited to get there finally. So let's go back to the freeway. The scenery here is really nice, even if it's like desert and nothing around you. It's just like very relaxing, honestly. Like just like relaxed drive. We're down to 63% right now, and I'm still trying to keep it between 65 and 70. You know, something really nice about using your phone as a key too. The car recognizes who's driving. It's like you or sometimes your husband. So the car depends on your phone. It recognizes who's driving, and it actually adjusts the range estimate and all that stuff. Like if your spouse more like that aggressive driver and you are like more the chill eco-friendly driver, and so the car actually adjusts and give you better range than the one he gets. Actually, you know, my husband actually drives nice. We drive about the same. He's actually a very chill driver too. But I'm just saying, if that's the case for you, it's actually the car adjusts and recognize who's driving, and if you are the eco-friendly driver, you get a better range. Wow, this is beautiful. I think this is my first time coming here during the day. We always usually come at night, like, you know, the evening. This is my first time seeing this in the light, basically. Look here to the left, these are power plants. They are solar power plants. They are huge. I hope you guys can see them. Again, this is my first time seeing them during the day. This is really nice. There are 3 of the solar plants here, and they're actually solar farm up ahead to the right. That's cool. Quick update, guys, we're officially crossed into Nevada state. You can see it here actually on the map. That's the line. So we are officially right now in Nevada. We still have 40 miles to get to Vegas. Alright, next stop is Vegas, and we're going to listen to some country music on the way. I'll probably just cut it out and put some music for you guys so you can enjoy it and we don't get any copyright. Alright guys, so we're almost there. We have like 15 miles to get to our hotel. Alright guys, so we're getting very close. You can see all the casinos and hotels here. So it's really actually, we only away maybe 7 miles away from our hotel. It's we're staying at the Resort World. It's actually brand new. It opened about a couple months ago, so it's like literally brand new. So I'm really excited actually to see it. Before we stayed at the South Point, we really liked that one too. But actually this weekend seems really busy here in Vegas. A lot of rooms were sold out. And this is here the new Raiders Stadium. It's actually brand new too. And the fall season is about to start, right? Like it starts in September, and the pre-season is already started, I think, right, babe?
Yes, correct.
That's a big stadium. Alright guys, so we have got here to our hotel. I think we did a really good job on our, original charge. We actually drove 190 miles, and we still have range over here. You can see 129 miles. So that's great, and the battery it is down to 46%. So I think it did a great job. And like I said, we were trying to keep it between 65 and 70, and we have the AC on and running the whole time. But yeah, it was very nice, smooth drive. The temperature is still 107, and look, we are here in the evening, 7:23, so I can't believe it's still hot here. Anyway, we're really excited. I think we did a really good job on this. Actually, they have a charge here. We already checked the station. They were all taken. It's a free charge for this hotel. Like I mentioned, we are staying here at the Resort World, and the charge here is free for the hotel guests. So yeah, but they're all taken right now. I'm going to keep check my FordPass app because it will let me know when any spot opens. So we're gonna keep checking. I think right now we're gonna go just get, you know, refreshed, take our stuff to the hotel room, and maybe I'll update you guys. I don't need to update you today, but maybe I'll show you when I get the car charging. If it's not today, at night or something, maybe tomorrow morning. Alright guys, so last night we got to our hotel room, we dropped off our stuff, and then we went for a walk. It was still hot here, it was like still 104 or something, so we just got some ice water and we're just walking around, and then we just went back to the hotel room and we slept. Actually, I didn't get to show you guys the room when we first got in, but I took a quick clip this morning. We had like a nice view of the city, so it was really actually nice. This hotel, it's brand new like I mentioned, and they have a few electric stations here, and they are free for the hotel guests. But last night they were all taken. We couldn't charge the car, so this morning first thing we checked, and as people were leaving we actually got a spot, so we're charging the car right now. But it is a very slow charge. I think we're only at 60% right now, so probably right now it is 1 o'clock. We're probably just going to kill some time right now, and then we'll probably have dinner. I'm going to find faster charger. I know they have a few around here, so I'm going to find faster chargers so we can, I don't want to like get it fully charged, but maybe we can get it at least like to 75-80%, and then we can just like I said, have dinner and maybe turn around and head back home. So I'll check with you guys later. Alright guys, so we made it here to Terrible's and we're charging the car right now. It's a fast charge. I plugged it in, it was on at 44%. Right now already 49%. And actually here, this is how long we've been in the car, since yesterday when we left. It's like, you know, covering all the time. I'm sitting here talking to you guys, you know, all that's covered. Plus, you know, we did a lot of like drive around today. We drove 237 miles, and you can see here we are averaging 3.7 miles per kilowatt, which is, I think it's great. It breaks it down for you guys here so you can see. Actually, I'm really impressed because the whole time we were here just talking to you guys, I have the AC on and running, and it didn't go under 100. We were like averaging 104, 105, 109, but the AC was on the whole time, and look, we only used 8% on a climate, 89% route, and 3% accessories. I think that's the car play and the music. So yeah, most of the energy went just the driving, and I was actually driving on the engage mode. Right now, I had it the whole time on engage mode, but right now my husband is going to drive on the way back on whisper mode. So supposedly you should get better range on whisper mode. Let me show you something. So like I mentioned here, we average, me driving on the engage mode, we average, like I said, 3.7 miles. So right now my husband, he's going to see if him driving on whisper mode is he's going to improve this number. Maybe he can get it to 4.
It's going to be a stretch, because even with the 4, even with the 3.7, that is a very impressive range. If it's 3.7, this is an 88 kilowatt battery, you're already looking at a range of 320. I don't have high hopes that we're gonna get it any higher than that, but we're gonna give it a try. Why not? It is whisper mode, it has to do something different, so we'll give it a try.
Alright, so we'll update you guys once we get back home if whisper mode did any better on the range. We're back on the road right now. We got up to 81%, and as you can see we have 226 miles. We are expecting coming into California, we have this inspection facility. It usually goes pretty fast. It's just like a checkpoint. So here's the thermometer at night, and this is the station where I showed you guys going to Vegas, but right now at night, that's how they look like, all lighten up. And this is the traffic. Okay guys, so we just got back home and I am so tired, but let me give you guys the final update. So as you can see, our battery is down right now to 26% and we still have 72 miles of range. As you can see, we drove 397 miles and this is the entire time from yesterday until now. And like I mentioned earlier, it is counting the time we're just sitting here waiting for the charge, or filming, or driving around in Vegas. So this is just not driving from here to Vegas and back from Vegas to here. And we have averaged 3.5 miles per kilowatt. And like I said, because this counting the entire trip, me driving on the engage mode going to Vegas and my husband driving on whisper mode coming back. Now let's take a look on the breakdown of our energy consumption. You can see here we use 7% energy on climate, 90% on drive, and 3% accessories. And I mentioned earlier, this is like CarPlay and the music. Overall, the car did a great job. It was an amazing trip, short but it was fabulous. It was just like really fun to take this time off work and go on short road trip. But right now I'm just gonna let you guys go. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.